Let's solve a few questions based on unitary method. A, B and C together can finish a piece of work in 4 days. A alone can do it in 12 days. B alone can do it in 18 days. How many days will C take to do it alone? So we have A, B and C, and number of days taken by them individually is being mentioned in the question. So we can write 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon T. Put the values of A, B and C. We have A takes 12 days, so 1 upon 12 plus B takes 18 days plus number of days taken by C is being asked in the question. This will be equal to 1 upon 4 because they together finish the work in 4 days. Take 1 by 12 and 1 by 18 to the right hand side and we will have 1 by C is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 upon 18, and take LCM of 4, 12 and 18, that would be 36. So 9 minus 3 minus 2 upon 36, this is 4 upon 36 or 1 upon 9. That means C takes 9 days to finish the work alone. Next question. A can make a wall in 12 days, whereas B can make the wall in 15 days. C can break the same wall in 10 days. So time taken by C to break the wall is given and not make the wall. Okay. In how many days will the work be completed if all three of them work together? C works to break the wall. So C here is doing negative work. Right. This is not a practical situation, guys. I have just taken this question to explain the concept of negative work. Practical application of this would be seen in pipes and cisterns topic. Here we are just discussing the concept. So A is doing the work alone in 12 days. We can write 1 upon A plus 1 upon B minus 1 upon C because C is doing negative work. Okay. This will be equal to 1 upon T, where T is time taken by A, B and C together when they together work on the job. Put the values and we will have 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 15 minus 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon T. LCM is 60. So we will have 5 plus 4 minus 6 upon 60, that is 4 upon 60 or 1 upon 15. That means T comes out to be 15 days. So in 15 days the work will be completed if all three of them work together. Moving on to the next question. A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days. So we can directly write 1 upon A plus 1 upon B is equal to 1 upon 18. Next we have B and C who can do the work in 24 days. That means 1 upon B plus 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon 24. A and C can do in 36 days. 1 upon A plus 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon 36. If all of them work together, in how much time will they finish the work? So if all three of them work together, we will have 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon T, where T is the time taken to finish the work when all three work together. Now I wish to find this value 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. I can add this equation 1 and this equation 2, but I will get 2 times 1 upon B. Okay, 1 upon A will come once, 1 upon C will come once, but 1 upon B is coming twice. So instead of simply adding these two, I can add all three together and I will have 2 times 1 upon A, 2 times 1 upon B and 2 times 1 upon C. And 2 I am taking out common outside the bracket. In the bracket I will have 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C, that is nothing but 1 upon T. Okay, which will be equal to, add right hand sides, that will be 1 by 18 plus 1 by 24 plus 1 by 36. The LCM will be 72 and this will be 4 plus 3 plus 2 upon 36. 9 upon 72, sorry, 9 upon 72 is 1 upon 8. This 2 will go to the right hand side in the denominator and t will come out to be 16 days. This is how we solve questions using unitary method. In the next video, we'll talk about LCM method to solve time and work questions. Both the methods are almost same, but many times you will find LCM approach making the job lot more easier. Thank you.